Good afternoon, T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibite OG. So guys, I wanna read you this because I thought this was fascinating when I read this, and it shows an example of where we could throw our money at when the market's going down. And Terra Luna readies to resume the uptrend. Ripple XRP showing weakness. Just came out today. It's only a couple minute read, but I think it's very important to get a look and glance at the market in a way where we can understand where some money could dump into. If you guys are fans of the commodities market, gold, silver, some of the mining stocks, I'm going to cover that after I read this as well as we get into XRP and Bitcoin, and then I will let you guys go. Make sure to hit that like button. We do a wide variety of things here, and I guarantee you've never seen anybody in crypto cover the commodities market as good as I can. So, like I said, Terra Luna readies to resume uptrend. Ripple XRP showing weakness. Ooh, I like that title. Cryptocurrencies have been on a bearish trend for about a month now, as the crackdown on cryptos continues with the US trying to tax them. While India is looking to ban a number of main cryptos, China is banning everything related to cryptos, and the Federal Reserve is tightening up monetary policy. The excessive amount of cash that has been thrown into the markets has had a positive impact on cryptocurrencies as well, since some of these funds spilled into the crypto market, which is high risk but which offers high returns as well. Now that rates are going up in the US, some of these funds might start flowing into bonds. Although the retreat might be over in the crypto market and some digital currencies are showing signs of bullish reversal. Terra Luna daily chart analysis, Luna USD finding support at the 50-day simple moving average. So I thought this was very important to read this before the XRP analysis. Terra Luna has been attracting a lot of money for DeFi, decentralized finance. Terra's growing ecosystem attracted 150 million decentralized finance DeFi fund in July, while now the Hong Kong-based venture capital firm Chiron has raised a 50 million fund for Terra Luna. This fund will back projects on the Terra blockchain to boost decentralized finance applications, metaverse-linked non-fungible tokens, NFT platforms, etc. This cash flow into the Terra ecosystem has been having a positive impact on the Luna coin, with Luna/USD still keeping the bullish trend going despite the recent pullback lower. Moving averages continue to provide support, keeping the uptrend intact, and now the price is trading just above the 50-day SMA, yellow. This moving average has acted as support before, and today we are seeing a bounce off it, so perhaps the bullish trend is resuming again. The 50 simple moving average is a good place to buy Terra Luna coin, and now the stochastic indicator is oversold, which means that the pullback might be over. If I bought here, I would place the stop loss below the 100-day simple moving average, and we'll go over this in my chart. Well, I'll put Luna up there, and we'll go over that first thing when we go back into the technicals. And now we've got Ripple daily chart analysis, looking to buy Ripple XRP at 50 to 60 cents. The 200 simple moving average has turned into resistance for XRP USD now. Ripple coin continues to show bearish pressure, which began in September, and earlier this month we saw a crash to 60 cents. The crash has stopped, but the pressure remains to the downside. We saw an attempt to turn bullish last week, but the 200 simple moving average turned into resistance for Ripple coin, which shows what sellers are in charge. There have been no significant developments on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, so buyers have no reason to buy XRP coins at the moment. Meanwhile, Empower Oversight, a nonprofit organization focused on government oversight, has started a legal process against the SEC alleging a conflict of interest in the way it went after Ripple. So things might start going in Ripple's favor, but we wait for the price to slip lower, closer to the 50 to 60 cent range before buying Ripple again. And my target was 57 cents or anything under 60 cents. So you guys can see that this coincides with exactly what we're saying. So I hope this article helped. There's some things like this that I really like. And there's other things, you know, that we're going to cover later on. But first things first, I want to cover the Terra Luna coin. I want to cover this while it's fresh in our mind since we just went over the charts. Assuming that it's going to come up. Interesting. Well, it looks like we're having some, I don't know what's going on. We are not loading on TradingView, unless my internet just went out. What a surprise that is, ladies and gentlemen. What a surprise. Not really, because Comcast sucks. So we're just gonna have to talk for a minute while this kicks back on, because it's rebooting. It doesn't do us any good. But this will kick back up in a sec. But with XRP, we can even talk about gold and silver real quick on the fly. Gold's at 1772. It's looking for a retrace in that 1730 area. It's already pulled back pretty good, but we still got a little bit of room to work with gold. Hold on one sec. So we're going to have to wait for this internet to kick on. Take a couple minutes. But we're going to talk about these charts as if we're still there, because we can see the active price that was there. So with XRP, well, or actually, you know what? We'll just go through the gold and silver. So the Dow Jones is at 35,511, down 0.39%. We have the U.S. dollar currency index up 0.13% at 96.48. We've got crude oil down 1.20% to $70.03. We've got gold down 0.77% or $13.78 an ounce, 17.72. We've got silver down 1.84% to 21.90. So we lost the handle on the 22. Fortuna Silver Mines is down to $3.12, and that's right at the double bottom. But if silver goes down to $21.30 roughly, Fortuna Silver Mines might come under $3. So I have a big eye on Fortuna. It's a great mining stock. They do a lot of silver. We've got platinum down 1.56% or $14.50 an ounce at $9.16. Copper's down 3 cents to $4.25 a pound. Commerce Resources down 2.47% to $18.13. Wheat and precious metals is down 1.76% or $40.21. Barrick Gold's down 0.33%, just over 6 cents, and lost the handle on $18 though yesterday, so it's at $17.91. Kinross is at $5.13, slipped 8 cents. B2 Gold's down better than 1.3% at $3.61. Yamana Gold down 0.90% at $3.88. We've got AEU down 0.54%, and it also has lost the handle on 30 cents, so it's coming dirt cheap right now. GPL's up 0.12%, but it's lost the handle on 26 cents yesterday, so now it's at $25.89. And then we got fuel cell that broke under that double bottom, which we were talking about. Broke down through it, so you got to sell it when it goes through there. So I was in and out real quick, but it's a little disappointing. I watched it come all the way back down 46%, and then it just broke through the double bottom like it was nothing after it had put it in place. So that was a little disappointing. And iBio is down at 65.40, which is a pharmaceutical company that is starting to gain a little bit of a, a little bit of a downtrend here, big time. But I don't know what's going on with the internet. I was hoping that it would start to do its job. It seems like it's starting to figure it out. I had to reset it, like I said. It's finally starting to upload again. So what I'd be watching out for too, XRP. We can go through this without looking at the chart real quick. We're just going to wing it until this kicks back on. XRP is at 80 cents. It's got resistance at 88 cents. It's got mid-resistance at about 83.8. It's got low support at 75 cents. If you break through that, I believe it's 63. No, 65 and 57, I believe. But this is about to kick back on. It just kicked on, so I know it's going to work. It's got to re-download the stupid crap now. But anyhow, now that we winged through that, see, tell me anybody else who can do that. Memory is good. So that's what we're talking about with the gold, silver. So as you can see with gold, we're looking for the retrace coming down a little bit here. And that's what I have planned. Oh, 1683. So I have it busting through that 1721 possibly. So that's what we're looking at through all of that. A little rundown on the gold and silver markets. And then let me put in Luna real quick. I don't want it in Tether, though. No, not. So it's up 9% now. So yeah, you can see it. This is on an uptrend, decided uptrend. And there actually is a little bit of possibility here. I mean, look how it's resting on some of these support structures. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we're in a very interesting spot because I'm assuming this is going to be, yep, So this is no different than the other ones. Yeah, money could go into it. But if you're looking at, based on the article, on what we were seeing, you need it to come over this $59.84, bottom line. If it doesn't come over that, it's not going to be bullish. You need it to come over the simple moving average in the 30-minute. It's being supported on the 100-day. But if it doesn't come over the 200-day, it's just going to get chopped back down. This looks like a cup and handle that's at the end of it now. So they might be getting fooled right now. No disrespect to that article, but this doesn't look any better than the rest of them. We go to XRP's chart real quick, and then I'm going to let you guys go. I didn't intend for this to be a 10-minute update. XRP, again, is being rejected by the 30-minute time frame. We've talked about this over and over and over, how the 30-minute time frame is just catastrophically been our doomsday. We even traded within my little, whatever you want to call that, siphon that I talked about, and it came back to the top of the zone, got rejected by 82 cents. We talked about this on my update last night at about midnight. That XRP was about to bounce up to 82 cents. If you don't believe it, go watch my update. Then I said I believed we'd get rejected by the 30-minute, 200-day. And you see how far down this is coming. So we're continuing to get squeezed. Now it's down to 81.6, the 30-minute time frame. I believe we're coming down to 57 cents. I believe we could have better than a 50% crash coming in the short term, which would put us under 57 cents. I understand that, but that's if that double bottom doesn't hold. But this sideways and up action with decreasing volume is a bear trap or a bull trap. It's been a bull trap, and it's about to unravel. It can come up to a head, you know, and try to make a little bit of a push up. But at the end, if it does decide to make this little push up to this cup, like I talked about yesterday, around 83, it's going to come right back down. This 30-minute time frame, the moving average, the simple moving average, is absolutely beating, or the exponential moving average is absolutely shooting us down. Make sure to hit that like button.